Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how we can add an Excel CSV file in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and you can add an Excel CSV file in two ways. So you can go to your products right here. So just go to catalog, go to store products, and then click products. So from here, you can insert a CSV file so that you can automatically add more products to your Wix website. So to do that, go to more actions and then go to import. So from here, you need to download the Wix CSV template file first so that you will have the standard template to import your products right here. So just click download and then click blank Wix CSV template. So you have the template right here that is downloaded, and then you can see the template has different details right here, such as handle ID, field type, name, description, product image URL, and so on and so forth. So this is the standard template that you need to use if you want to import more products to your Wix website. So from here, you can just delete all of the details right here and then insert your own details for your products. So this is just an example. So I'll just go back right here, and then we can now click upload CSV file and then click your own or select your own product right here. So for example, I'll choose my CSV file right here and then click continue. So from here, it says that it has 3 new products inside the CSV file, and then we can just click import 3 products. So from here, we'll just wait for this to finish importing. And then now it says import complete. And then now I have my 3 new products right here, which is sunglasses, shoes, and a t-shirt. And another way that you can add an Excel CSV file is by using the CMS. So the CMS right here in Wix is your collections for your different products that you can use so that you can organize them depending on their category. So to do that, you can just click create collection, and then from here, import from CSV, and then click next. So this one doesn't really have a specific template, so you can use any kind of template that you want to use since the collection details will be up to you. So for example, I want to use my CSV file right here called sample items. So it has different features right here, such as the item name, SKU, description, rate, and so on and so forth. So this is just an example Excel file that I have. So from here, just go back and then click choose a file and then click the CSV file right here. And then you can edit the different columns right here if you see some errors. But if not, you can just click next, and then you can review the file columns and collection fields right here, and then click import. Then from here, the Excel CSV file is now imported to our Wix website, and then we can see the different details right here: the title, the item name, the SKU, the description, the rate, and product type, and so on and so forth. So it basically just imports all of the details right here as a collection. And then that's basically it. So that is how we can add an Excel CSV file in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.